Online shopping is the new norm in today's world, replacing brick-and-mortar shops one transaction at a time. With this shift in online consumerism, cybercriminals are taking notice. To mitigate the risks that come from online shopping, there are a few things you can do to better protect yourself. Shop from sites you know and trust. Beware of flashy, hot deals that are too good to be true. Scammers deliver ads based on your interests. Don't take the bait no matter how sweet the deal. Purchasing from sites you know and trust also helps eliminate the danger of black SEO, a trap set by cybercriminals hoping to get you, the user, to click on almost identical links to infect your computer with malware. Make sure your favorite site is secure. A good rule of thumb to ensure a safe shopping experience is to check if the retailer is securing their services. Look for a lock icon in the address bar. That indicates it is a secure connection. This measure is especially important when entering in payment and banking information. Use a dedicated email address for online purchases. If you shop online often, it's good practice to use a dedicated email address used solely for online purchasing. Even better, consider doing it from a single device, one that you know to be free and clear of all viruses or malware. Avoid connecting to public Wi-Fi hotspots. While convenient, public Wi-Fi lacks security, making you discoverable to everyone on the network. When accessing sensitive data like financials or emails, it's better to stick with your mobile carrier network. To ensure full protection, disable any auto connections on your phone. Monitor your accounts. Finally, it's a good idea to continually monitor your online accounts. Your accounts are ground zero for hackers, so any suspicious activity reported there can be addressed as soon as it occurs. Your online shopping experience should be enjoyable and stress-free. Enlisting the tips outlined here will help you to be a savvy and safe shopper. Circadence, bringing innovative solutions to defeat evolving cyber threats.